Dictation will be start in few seconds. Be ready. Start. The vote in Maharashtra couldn't have been clearer, and it has set the political wheels within wheels whirring into action for good reason. Elections to its 288-seat assembly are due in October. The mandate to MVA is thumping endorsement of both regional parties Sena UBT and NCP Sharad Pawar, which fought with new names and symbols, and a return to prominence of state Congress, which won the most seats in the state, 13, with just 17% vote share. The Mahayuti trio Shinde-led Sena, BJP and Ajit Pawar's NCP received quite a drubbing, winning just 17 of the state's 48 seats. BJP 9 and 26% vote share. Shinde 7 of its 15 and NCP just 1. Para. It's an existential crisis for Ajit Pawar's NCP. Sharad Pawar's grandnephew was telling reporters by end of day Tuesday that 18 to 19 NCP MLAs were in touch with NCP Sharad Pawar, while another 12 had reached out to BJP. Unsurprising, because Ajit Pawar has lost bargaining power within Mahayuti and failed his claim as keeper of the Pawar legacy. Supriya Sule beat Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra in Baramati by 1.58 L votes. Assembly elections are of course a different beast to LS polls, but their proximity makes it a hard track for MLAs to win back the loss of voter mind space. Para. Contests across Maharashtra, unlike other states, were much about personalities, party loyalties, clout, and influence. For instance, the 6 Mumbai seats were all about party prestige. Of the 4 it contested, Sena UBT won 3 and lost the 4th to Shinde Sena by 48 votes, a matter it has said it will take to court. The wins will silence the Nakli Sena jibes. Para. Maharashtra has lost its rich glint, no longer among top 10 states in per capita income. Immigration for jobs, explosion of jobless graduates, statewide water crisis, farmers' multiple crises, distress, protests, and quota wars are just a sampling platter of problems. Behind the glitz, Mumbai is in a shambles, including seepage in its just opened 14K crore undersea tunnel stretch. Extreme weather events are on the rise. Para. But Netaj will have other concerns. For BJP, Maharashtra polls are all the more crucial because a loss in this high profile state will reinforce the perception of vulnerability. LS poll results introduced it must know MVA has the early advantage. Thanks for watching.